What if your only photo of your grandparents was too damaged to see their faces? I found an old black and white photo of my grandparents from the 1950s. It was scratched, faded, and torn in the middle. I thought I'd never see it clearly again. I googled solutions and found Wondershare Repairit. Download and open it. Under the photo repair feature, just click the start and imported the photo file you want to repair. Then clicked repair, and it worked until the full complete video appeared in the repair results. This tool fixed it in minutes, literally magic. Minutes later, the scratches were gone, the details were sharp, and I could see their smiles again. Don't lose your memories. Repair corrupted data in any scenario with Repairit now.